Yesterday we have seen PN junction formation. In that we have seen diffusion current, which is from P to N side because of the movement of holes and electron across the junction, and it is due to concentration gradient, difference of concentration of electron and holes. Depletion layer we have seen, it is a thin layer near the junction which doesn't have the free charges, holes and electrons. It has only immobile ions, fixed ions. Then electric field, because of free ions, electric field generates from, its direction will be from positive to negative. Now drift current is the next one. Now because of electric field, minority carriers are pushed across the junction. इसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन्स माइनॉरिटी कैरियर्स में होंगे और यहाँ पे होल्स, they will be, holes will move this side, electric field will drift them across the junction. So drift current is due to electric field near the junction. Electrons on P side, that is minority carriers, moves to N side, and holes on N side, where they are in minority carriers, moves to P side, which produces drift current, which is the opposite to the diffusion current. That means its direction is from N to P. It is drifting, it is due to drifting of minority carriers. As I told you, N में होल्स जो है माइनॉरिटी कैरियर्स रहेंगे, तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो डेवलप हो रही है, that starts drifting the minority carriers in the particular section. उसकी वजह से they move, they are drifted. नाम उसका drift है. Electric field is drifting. It is because of minority carriers, and its direction is from N to P. Initially, it will be small. Later on, it increases because of electric field being significant later on, and both the currents are opposite. Drift current, diffusion current ऐसे था, drift current ऐसे होगा. So after some time, both will be equal and opposite, and net current will be zero because we are not connected any battery. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Initially diffusion current ज़्यादा रहता है, बाद में कम होता जाता है. Drift current कम होगा because field weak रहेगी initially, बाद में बढ़ेगा. तो एक particular point of time पर both will be equal and opposite. Net current will be zero because we are not connected battery so far. हमने अभी यहाँ पे बैटरी नहीं कनेक्ट की है. Just it is while the formation of PN junction, things are happening this. So after some time, net current across the junction will be zero because both are equal and opposite current, and it will get settled. जब बैटरी लगाएंगे तब करंट फ्लो होना शुरू होता है. And one more term is remaining, which is called barrier potential. Since we have the electric field, there is the potential near the junction. यहाँ पे potential बनेगा उससे, मैं V is equal to ED वाले फार्मूले से. तो it is the potential difference across the junction which prevents the further diffusion of free charges across the junction. यहाँ से कुछ डिफ्यूजन हो जाएंगे होल्स इधर, कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इधर आ जाएंगे, तो यहाँ पे पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्रिएट होगा विच पुट्स द बैरियर. बैरियर मींस जैसे हमने देखा बैरियर होते हैं ऑन द रोड्स, टोल टैक्स जहाँ पर जमा करते हैं, which prevent the movement of vehicles. Similarly, here also, this puts the barrier for further diffusion. Otherwise, इधर के सारे holes और इधर के सारे electrons across चले जाएंगे. Nothing will be left. No free charges. No flow of electrons for further work. पूरा का पूरा neutralize हो जाएगा ना. So after some time, the diffusion stops because this will put the barrier. यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे प्लस है और इधर मेजॉरिटी करिए प्लस, it will not allow after certain potential difference is created. यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, इधर माइनस है. This will not allow negative of this will not allow the further movement of electron. Barrier potential. तो यहाँ पर नेगेटिव है, इस साइड में लेफ्ट साइड में कंटिन्यूसली नेगेटिव, उसको ऐसे दिखाते हैं. नेगेटिव लोअर पोटेंशियल, ये पॉजिटिव है हायर पोटेंशियल. तो पोटेंशियल इंक्रीजिंग एंड देयर इज द बैरियर पोटेंशियल V नॉट. माइनस इज द लोअर पोटेंशियल, प्लस इज इन N. ये जंक्शन है बीच में, कैन यू सी, हियर इज द जंक्शन. दिस साइड इज N, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक N है. N में प्लस है. N side being at higher potential goes up. This is the potential barrier shown like this. No bias means when battery is not connected. उस समय ऐसे. When we connect, then it may come down or it may go up depending upon which polarity is connected across this. कैसे बैटरी कनेक्ट करें उस पर डिपेंड करेगा, इट इज गोइंग डाउन और गोइंग अप फर्दर. ठीक है. नो बायस मींस नो बैटरी. ठीक है यहाँ तक. So these terms, particularly depletion layer and barrier potential, this is generally asked, right? Define barrier potential, define what is called depletion layer or depletion region. That you have to define it. Okay, we'll move on to the next one now. इक्विलिब्रियम वाला पॉइंट मैंने बता दिया उसको. That note, finally, what is called initially this current is large. Finally, this current increases and net current becomes zero, and no net current across the junction after some time. As we know, battery is not connected, then also we are getting current for few duration, then it is becoming zero. Now, some of the questions we'll take in an unbiased PN junction. Unbiased means battery not connected. Now we are going to see the biasing. Biasing देखने जा रहे हैं. Unbiased में battery not connected. Hole diffuses from P region to N region because the electron attract. Now we have seen potential gradient, concentration, different concentration की वजह से. So this is not. They move across the junction by the barrier potential. That was drift current, not diffusion. Hole concentration in P is more compared to N. Concentration of hole, yes, of course, different concentration, more in more hole in p side, more electrons in n side. This is okay. Because more concentration of holes on p side, it's okay because of more electrons on n side है ना, तो concentration की वजह से होता है. What about this question? Temperature dependence of copper, temperature dependence of resistance of copper and undoped silicon in the temperature range 300 to 400 is best described by linear increase of copper and linear increase of silicon. No. Semiconductor का क्या होता है? Reverse section होता है. When temperature goes up, temperature goes up, it comes down. ऐसा है. Because more and more electrons jump from the lower band to the upper band. Temperature, because of thermal radiation, electron jump करते हैं ऐसे. And copper में saturation रहता है. Formula ही है देखो. दोनों के लिए same formula is justified. Okay. Linear increase for copper, exponential increase नहीं. Increase तो है ही नहीं इसमें. Silicon का decrease होता है. Linear increase of copper, exponential decrease of decrease है. C is okay. Sorry. Last one is linear decrease for copper. No, decrease नहीं होता. Copper का increase ही है. Last one is. तो फार्मूला इस फार्मूले से जस्टिफाई कर सकते हैं जो हमने करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में पढ़ा था. M being the mass of electron and N being the electron में the whole charge density. तो इसमें कॉपर में already charge density is electron density is saturated, and when temperature goes up, this comes down. Relaxation time, this goes up in copper, whereas in silicon में क्या होता है? ये electron density, electron hole density is less. When temperature goes up, this goes up fast, this will go down slow. ये अपना effect same होगा जैसे copper में, but this thing is happening increasing at faster rate, therefore its resistivity comes down because this free electrons and holes are generated more and more, therefore its resistance comes down or resistivity comes down. Reverse section में टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने से कंडक्टर का रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ता है और इसका घटता है. सेमीकंडक्टर का घटता है. it becomes better resistor, it becomes poor resistor, or it becomes better conductor. रेजिस्टेंस घटने से गुड कंडक्टर बनता है. 0 डिग्री पर आइडियल इंसुलेटर बनेगा. ठीक है, तो दोनों में अपोजिट एक्शन हो रहा है. तो this question is being asked in board examination also, in competitive examination also. Clear? All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now consider semiconductor diode. अभी ऊपर हमने से पीएन जंक्शन पढ़ा था ना. तो अगर पीएन जंक्शन में यहाँ पे मेटल कांटेक्ट लगा दें और टर्मिनल्स फिट कर दें मेटल, तो इट इज becoming diode. It is basically PN junction with metal contacts, metallic contact provided that ends, दोनों तरफ metallic contact, इसको because of that we can fit it into the circuits, metal contact को soldering करके circuit में fit करते हैं. It is two-terminal device. Direction of arrow indicates the conventional direction of current. P side is indicated by arrow. N side is indicated by line. N is negative. Negative की line ऐसे होती, उसको vertical कर दो. Minus negative means minus, minus means vertical ऐसे line. तो ठीक है. This is a symbol. Arrow indicating the conventional current जो मेजॉरिटी carriers है, holes का होल से I mean P से N की तरफ करंट होता है. Diffusion current, if we talk about, that is the major current will be there, and बैटरी भी हम इधर P साइड कनेक्ट करते हैं. तो मेजॉरिटी कैरियर से जो करंट फ्लो होता है पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन, so that's what is the convention direction. Convention current when diode is in the forward bias. Forward bias में बैटरी P को P के साथ ऐसे कनेक्ट करते हैं फॉरवर्ड बायस. P side is connected to positive terminal of battery, N side is connected. That's what we are going to see now, biasing connection of battery. तो ये एक्चुअल में दे लुक लाइक दिस. ये जो है बहुत बड़ा डायग्राम है, इसमें थोड़ा एक्चुअल साइज इज वेरी स्मॉल. कैन यू सी? Practically this much size will be there when you purchase from the market. ऐसा दिखता है. This much actual size will be this much only. और देखो, can you see? This is a black or this is a silver band. It indicates the direction of current will be this side. ये P side हो जाएगा ये, और this will be N side. Cathode anode. Is it visible? ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
So that are the symbols and introduction. Where do we use them? Diodes are used to in our mobile charger or charger of the laptop and mobile and other devices, which also has the transformer. Diode क्या करता है? Transformer तो voltage decrease करता है. Diode उसको AC को DC में convert करता है. So that is the major uses of diode. Other uses of diodes are LED diodes and your solar cell and photodiode, Zener diode. Zener diodes are used for voltage control in the system. So multi-purpose. Major purpose main is we are going to see it is used in the rectifier. Rectifier is the device which converts AC into DC. Uses we are going to see, but some more points we'll see before we come to the uses of diode. देखिए, PN junction diode under forward bias. देखिए, forward bias में side is connected to the positive terminal of battery, N side is connected to negative terminal of battery. Bias means connecting the battery for its various uses. So there can be two types of connections. One forward bias. Okay. So let's see what happens in that. Forward bias में क्या होगा? Applied potential का positive इधर है. देखो ये applied potential ऐसे positive to negative we can draw the arrow. और इसका जो है depletion layer का positive इधर है. तो both are opposite है. Applied potential का positive left में है and is left to right we can say. Barrier potential is this side. Both are opposing each other. So barrier potential will decrease therefore depletion layer की thickness भी कम हो जाती है. देखो, thickness has gone down because applied potential opposes the barrier potential. Barrier potential पहले इतना था, तो ये applied potential ने उसको decrease किया, तो now decreasing V naught minus V रह गया. Okay. देखते हैं और पॉइंट. And it offers less resistance in the forward bias because depletion layer thickness goes down and more current will flow in the forward bias because of magnetic carrier. Let's see. An external voltage V is applied across the diode such that P side is connected to positive terminal of battery and N side is connected to negative terminal. Then it is said to be forward bias. This already explained. Applied voltage mostly drops across the depletion layer. यहाँ पर क्या है, डिप्लीशन लेयर में फ्री चार्जेस नहीं है, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड ऑल, देयरफॉर रेजिस्टेंस इज मोर हियर. जो भी अप्लाइड पोटेंशियल रहेगा यहाँ पे ड्रॉप होता है. अप्लाइड पोटेंशियल मोस्टली ड्रॉप्स अक्रॉस द डिप्लीशन लेयर वेयर रेजिस्टेंस इज लार्ज ड्यू टू एक्सेस ऑफ फ्री चार्जेस. फ्री चार्जेस नहीं है तो जो भी अप्लाइड पोटेंशियल है यहाँ पे ड्रॉप होगा डिप्लीशन लेयर पे, एंड दिस साइड वी हैव द फ्री चार्जेस, so minimum drop will be taking place here and here, maximum drop will be here, means this part will have resistance more. Okay. And direction of applied voltage is opposite to the barrier potential. Applied voltage positive से negative इस तरफ है, barrier potential is opposite, उसका positive इधर है inside, so both are opposite. As a result, depletion layer width decreases and barrier height is reduced. Barrier height will come down. Because of that, effective barrier height, okay, this point you can just leave it, no problem. Effective barrier height minus करके लिखिए, doesn't matter, that you can just leave. Diode offers very small resistance in the forward bias. इसका forward bias में barrier depletion layer की thickness कम हो जाती है ना, तो it offers less resistance because this is the place which resistance is offered, because there free charges are not there, thickness कम हो गई, so resistance is rho L by A, length decreases, resistance decreases. So small resistance in the forward bias and significant current flows due to the majority carriers. Majority carriers देखो यहाँ पे देखिए आप, यहाँ पे होल्स, बहुत सारे होल्स रहेंगे. एक मिनट, this side so many holes will be there. This side so many electrons will be there. ये minus है, so minus will be pushing the electron this side. This is plus, this will be pushing the holes this side. Repulsive action, plus will repel the holes, minus will repel the electron. So because of majority carrier, significant current flows from P to N. Current flows from P to N. From ठीक है, so these are the points in the forward bias. Clear? Similarly, रिवर्स बायस को हम डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे चेंज करना पड़ेगा पी को, बैटरी का टर्मिनल चेंज कर दीजिए प्लस को बाय, तो रिवर्स बायस होता है. रिवर्स बायस में ऑल द पॉइंट्स विल बी अपोजिट टू दिस. इट विल हैव increase of depletion layer, increase of resistance. Barrier potential will also go up. There will be very small current due to the minority carriers. Okay, this is okay. Can we see the reverse bias now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. रिवर्स बायस में देखिए अपोजिट कीजिए अभी इसके पोलैरिटी देखो P को P is connected to minus negative terminal, N is connected to positive terminal of the battery, and ये barrier potential to this side था, barrier potential का positive negative was like this, so its direction will be like this, and applied potential का भी positive इधर ये देखो, this side is positive, this side is negative, so both are in same direction. Barrier height increases, thickness of the depletion layer also increases, therefore resistance offered is very high here, and very small current flows because of minority carriers. इसमें देखो यहाँ पे हमने प्लस कनेक्ट किया है और यहाँ पे माइनस है, यहाँ पे कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे minority carriers, they will be repelled, और इधर कुछ होल्स होंगे, they will be repelled by positive potential. So minority carrier से very small current will flow, और इसके जो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे they will be attracted by the positive terminal. तो majority carriers जो हैं they are being attracted like this. तो minority carrier को push मिलेगा this side, so they will be taking part in the very small current flow. So let's see these points I have written. P side is connected to negative and N side is connected to positive terminal of battery. Applied voltage is mostly dropped across the depletion layer, and because इसका ही resistance रहता है, यहाँ पे तो free charges रहते हैं, तो resistance से निकले, direction of applied voltage is same as that of the barrier potential. दोनों same direction में, as a result barrier height goes up, and depletion region or depletion layer widens, width बढ़ गई देखिए, you see width is this much now, and diode offers very high resistance in reverse biasing. बैरियर हाइट ऐड हो गई, देखो यहाँ पर V नॉट है और ये V है, it will become V naught plus V. That point is optional, you can write or leave it. Very small current in microampere flows due to minority carriers. Majority carriers तो बैटरी के टर्मिनल अट्रैक्ट कर लेंगे ना, minority carrier को push will be being pushed across by the same nature of charge. ये प्लस है, यहाँ पे होल रहेंगे, प्लस को होल रिपेल करेगा इधर, और यहाँ पे माइनॉरिटी कैरियर्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, ये भी नेगेटिव है, तो नेगेटिव को नेगेटिव रिपेल करेगा, तो ऐसे फ्लो होगा. माइनॉरिटी कैरियर से थोड़ा बहुत करंट फ्लो होता है, which is in microampere, which is very very small, because normal ammeter will not indicate this. नॉर्मल एमीटर में अगर आप चेक करेंगे माइक्रो एम्पियर करंट विल बी शोन 0, 10⁻⁻6 है. नॉर्मल एमीटर में this much small current cannot be indicated. तो डायोड जो है रिवर्स बायस में no, in other words it shows no flow of current. टेक्नीशियन जो है वो चेक करते, डायोड को पकड़ेंगे, पहले एक साइड में बैटरी का कनेक्शन दे देंगे, तो देखेंगे अमीटर इज इंडिकेटिंग डिफ्लेक्शन, बट मोमेंट इट पोलैरिटी इज रिवर्स, तो अमीटर का पॉइंटर डिफ्लेक्ट नहीं करता, बिकॉज माइक्रो एम्पियर करंट कैन नॉट बी रेड बाय नॉर्मल अमीटर. तो इसका मतलब एक साइड में फ्लो इज इंडिकेटेड, अदर साइड फ्लो इज नॉट इंडिकेटेड, इट मींस डायोड इज वर्किंग. वो चेक कर लेते, एक तरफ कंटिन्यूटी दिखानी चाहिए, कंटिन्यूटी मींस one direction flow of current in one direction, other side it should block it. This is nothing but a blockage only, microampere is no current. तो दूसरी साइड में it offers very high resistance, तो no current, almost no current flows, so that indicate diode is okay. अगर दोनों तरफ में करंट फ्लो हो रहा है, it has gone down, it has डैमेज ड्यू टू हीट और ड्यू टू समथिंग एल्स, खराब हो गया वो। एक तरफ कंटिन्यूटी दिखाना चाहिए, कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ करंट, अदर साइड नो करंट, नो कंटिन्यूटी। मल्टीमीटर्स आते हैं चेक करने के लिए, मल्टीमीटर्स आर देयर टू चेक इट। उसमें अमीटर भी रहता है, वोल्टमीटर भी रहता है, तो दे इंडिकेट फ्लो ऑफ करंट और नो फ्लो ऑफ करंट। ठीक है, तो दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी offering very high resistance, offering very high resistance is used in rectifier which converts AC into DC, because जब नेगेटिव हाफ आ जाती है उसके सामने, डायोड के सामने, तो रिवर्स बायस बन जाता है। रिवर्स बायस में नो करंट, ऑलमोस्ट नो करंट, blockage of current, current doesn't flow. So that's how it works in the devices. So that's what I was telling, controlled flow of current. एक साइड में तो करंट फ्लो हो रहा है ना, and other side almost no current. So that is the difference. That's how it is different from resistor, है ना। Resistor में both sides same resistance. You change its ends to the battery, it will be showing same current. So resistance one side or other side is same, but इसमें resistance, you can say resistance is large, है ना, if you change the ends of the diode which are connected to the batteries, है ना, to the circuits। ठीक है, तो these are the properties used in various places, high resistance and low resistance in different biasing. तो calculation VI characteristics important है, ये आपको डायग्राम ड्रा करके एक्सप्लेन करना है। voltage and current characteristics of diode, V stands for voltage, I stand, they don't follow the Ohm's law, है ना। It is not the linear relation, we can see at the end of the graph। ग्राफ में देखेंगे स्टेट ऐसा नहीं आता, कंडक्टर के लिए तो ऐसा आएगा, है ना, बट इसमें different pattern, initially no growth of current and then increases, so it is non-ohmic, follow the Ohm's law। तो VI characteristics in the forward bias, forward bias में क्या करना है, डायोड के P को बैटरी के पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से कनेक्ट कर दिया एंड N को नेगेटिव टर्मिनल के साथ कनेक्ट कर दिया। ठीक है, और ये वेरिएबल बैटरी, सो दैट वी कैन इंक्रीज द वोल्टेज एज रिक्वायर्ड। यहाँ पर मिलीमीटर है, there is a switch, this is the voltmeter which is always connected in parallel, ammeter is connected in series। ठीक है, तो धीरे धीरे वोल्टेज बढ़ाएंगे। इनिशियली हम देखेंगे करंट ग्रोथ इज ऑलमोस्ट नो करंट ग्रोथ इज देयर इनिशियली because of the what is called barrier potential initially। After that current increases significantly after certain small opposition, then current goes up। Let's see, variation of current with variation of applied voltage is studied. Battery is connected to the diode through the potentiometer to the voltmeter कर लो उसको, potentiometer और voltmeter दोनों का both can measure the potential difference through the voltmeter। So that applied voltage can be noted and current noted through the millimeter here। Current first increases very slowly till voltage crosses a certain value। देखो यहाँ पे करंट बढ़ ही नहीं रहा है, almost zero है, which is, and then from this point onward it is increasing। after till the voltage crosses certain value, after this certain value, after this characteristics value, this particular value, particular voltage, the correct a certain value means same certain voltage, the diode current increases sharply even for the small increase in the voltage. It is going up. Voltage आपने ज्यादा नहीं बढ़ाया, फिर भी it is going sharply. This voltage जहाँ पे बढ़ना शुरू होता है is called threshold voltage or cut-in voltage, which is 0.2 for germanium and 0.7 for the silicon. But initially, because of barrier potential, it doesn't increase. Doesn't increase. Initially, the नहीं है, but you can see it is low value. यहाँ पे देखो, nearly after 0.6, it is rapidly increasing. थोड़ा सा और आगे गए, फिर आपको वोल्टेज बढ़ाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. It is going sharp. तो because of the barrier potential, initially it doesn't increase. है ना? Shall I write here because of barrier potential? Because of barrier potential, initially it doesn't increase. ठीक है. Moment barrier potential is crossed, applied voltage crosses the barrier potential, current increases rapidly even with the small increase of the applied voltage. Got it? तो ये फॉरवर्ड बायस का ग्राफ है. यहाँ पे FB लिखा है, which stands for the forward bias. Clear? Now we can see the reverse bias. Next one is the reverse bias. RB we can write in short. तो देखिए रिवर्स बायस में देखो P side is connected to negative terminal of battery, N side is connected to positive terminal of battery, and voltmeter remains here, and यहाँ पे micrometer है. The micro very sensitive ammeter is required for this characteristics. Otherwise, you cannot note down the current because other ammeter will indicate zero. It has to be very sensitive, which can pick up the very, very small current, which is microampere. Okay. Now switch, close the switch and increase the voltage. And what do you find? Very small current flows in microampere, and that remains constant for most of the time. After that, suddenly it increases. ग्राफ में देखते हैं. Like this, it is coming. Then suddenly, this is called breakdown voltage, VB. Because what happens when the voltage की value भी बहुत आ जाएगी, 20, 40, 60, 80. Here you can see very small, and यहाँ पर cut-in voltage nearly 0.7 for that silicon. So it is in decimal and it is in the 10 digits. I mean, in 20s, 20, 40, 60, and so on. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है suddenly? Initially, most of the part is saturated. यहाँ पे देखो. So breakdown voltage means if you increase the voltage to the large value, so because of heating up high voltage, so resistance is large there at what is called depletion layer. So because of heating up of the resistances, I mean diode, bonds breakdowns and it loses it lot of electrons breaks down, comes out of the bonds, and it becomes almost conductor. It loses the property of what is called uh, offering high resistance. Current increases very sharply then because of getting that diode getting breakdown due to the heat produced there. So up to it should not be diode should not be what is called subjected to the breakdown voltage. It should be well below the breakdown voltage. Otherwise, it will break down and it will become conductor only because a lot of free electrons will develop. So it will not offer high resistance in reverse bias if you subject it to the breakdown voltage. It will no longer work. फिर दोनों side में, if you check it, conductivity, both sides it will become conductor after it is getting breakdown. So it is no longer useful in that sense. It has to be replaced. So that's what technicians check it first. Diode को निकाल के वो check कर लेते हैं. So that is okay. One side conductivity is shown, other side no current and a negligible current, which means no current. So therefore, that is the point I have written here. Whatever I have explained you in this bias current is very very small, microampere, and remains constant. Graph में देखिए पहले constant था, called reverse saturation current, and after breakdown voltage, current increases rapidly. The general purpose diodes are not used beyond the reverse saturation current region. मतलब इसके beyond नहीं use करेंगे, up to here. आगे नहीं ले जाएंगे. Reverse saturation current है, that's all. You're not subject to this breakdown voltage. General purpose diode. कुछ डायोड्स बनते हैं जीनर डायोड जो इसी रेंज में ऑपरेट होते हैं. उनका काम वोल्टेज कंट्रोल करने का होता है. They are different diodes. Only one diode is used, which is working in this region, breakdown region, and that is specially designed for that. Otherwise, all the diodes will be operated well below the breakdown voltage. Insignificant current flows due to the minority carriers. इसमें minority carriers already that point is discussed. बहुत कम current होगा, which is insignificant. Therefore, our result shows that PN junction diode allows the current to flow in one direction only in forward bias. ये insignificant हो गया, इसको count नहीं करते. In the diodes, we define dynamic resistance RD, which is ratio of a small change in the voltage to the small change in current. Ohm's law, change in voltage upon change in current is nothing but a dynamic resistance because it will be changing. यहाँ पे मेजर करेंगे कुछ और होगा इस तरफ, यहाँ पे कुछ और है, इधर कुछ और है ना. So it is changing, therefore it is dynamic, not constant. Ideal diodes offer zero resistance in the forward bias and infinite resistance in the reverse bias. Ideal diode generally may not be obtained, but if theoretically point of view, ideal diodes are one which will offer zero resistance in the forward bias and infinite resistance in the reverse bias. Okay. You can see these points. You may be asked to define it. VI characteristics in the reverse bias or in forward bias. Make the proper diagram and explain it. All right. So you can just finish reverse bias here up to here. You can just further points are there for numerical point of view. We'll first solve the numerical of what is called forward and reverse bias में resistance कैसे calculate करते. We can solve one numerical is given. Clear so far?
Yes.
Tejas, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Navjot,
Yes, sir.
no doubt.
No, sir.
Elena. No response coming from Elena. Tisha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक है. तो ये एक numerical करते हैं forward bias and reverse bias. देखो ये solid example है. Can be asked in the examinations. Only one numerical is there. This one with the values changed. It can be asked in the examination. देखो the VI characteristics of silicon diode is shown in the figure. Calculate the resistance of diode at ID. Diode current 15 milliampere. 15 milliampere here दो. यहाँ पर कितना रेजिस्टेंस होगा वो निकालना है ना. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट लेट अस डू फर्स्ट पार्ट फर्स्ट. तो ये करस्पॉन्डिंग टू दिस है ना. तो वी कैन डेल्टा आई में ये वैल्यू ले सकते हैं 20 एंड 10 का है ना. डेल्टा आई विल बी इसके एक वैल्यू ऊपर की ले लीजिए एक नीचे की लीजिए. 20 माइनस 10 मिली में है देखो 10 to the power minus 3 है. तो दिस विल बी 10 to the power minus 2 एम्पियर. ठीक है. और वोल्टेज लेना डेल्टा वी कैसे लेंगे. देखो दिस करस्पॉन्डिंग टू 20 V is shown 0.8 but ये corresponding to 10 they have not shown V but नीचे उन्होंने 0.7 लिया ये वाला corresponding to 10 voltage is taken 0.7. यहाँ पे उन्होंने 0.5 दिया but क्वेश्चन पेपर में they will give you properly. यहाँ पर भी they will write and give you 0.7. so delta V is 0.8 minus 0.7 that is 0.1 volt. If we put the value in this formula, delta V is 0.1 and this is 0.2. Sorry, and 10 to the power minus 2. कितना होगा 10 एम्पियर है ना. 10 ओम रेजिस्टेंस है. 10 ओम रेजिस्टेंस. फॉरवर्ड बायस में देखिए क्या आ रहा है. इट इज ओके. कैलकुलेशंस कितना आ रहा है. हाँ 10 ओम इज ओके. ऑलराइट. दिस इज सॉल्ड एग्जांपल. क्लियर. तो दो वैल्यू उसके करंट की जहाँ पे पूछा है एक वैल्यू थोड़ा सा ऊपर एक थोड़ा नीचे लेके डेल्टा आई निकाल लिया. करस्पॉन्डिंग वोल्टेज ले लिए डेल्टा वी हो जाएगा वो. एंड ओम्स लॉ रेजिस्टेंस इज voltage upon current or change of voltage upon change of current will give you the resistance at that particular point. Got it?
Yes, sir.
और एंड सेकंड पॉइंट जो है देखिए यहाँ पर एट वी डी इज इक्वल टू डायोड वोल्टेज -10 प्लस है, डायोड वोल्टेज इस तरफ माइनस है, ओके यहाँ पे दिया है -10 वोल्ट। तो इसमें सैचुरेशन करंट है, कैन यू सी इट इज सैचुरेशन मींस नो चेंज। तो नो चेंज में इसमें क्या करना है, V by I लेना है, करंट इज कांस्टेंट, करंट इज नॉट चेंजिंग, तो डेल्टा V तो 0 आ जाएगा, फिर इनफाइनाइट आ जाएगा। तो बेटर डोंट टेक V डेल्टा। तो यहाँ पे कितना है -10, और नीचे देखो यहाँ पे कितना है 1 माइक्रो एम्पियर। कैन यू सी द लाइन हियर, ये तो 10 माइनस है, नीचे ऊपर का करंट प्लस है, नीचे का माइनस रहेगा ये भी, तो -1 माइक्रो 10 to the power -6, इट इज कमिंग 10 to the power 7 ओम। तो रिवर्स में डेल्टा नहीं लेना है बिकॉज इट इज सैचुरेशन, इट इज 10 power 7। लेट्स सी द आंसर। यार देखो इन्होंने भी सी द सोल्यूशन, यहाँ पे -10 लिया है, ये -1 और डायरेक्ट डिवाइड कर दिया, माइनस माइनस विल गेट कैंसल। So 10 power 7 is coming and this is 10. So it is offering very high resistance in the reverse bias and very low resistance in the forward bias. That's the property used in the rectifier. We'll see in the next classes. So that's how it is used. That's how it is blocking the negative potential in rectifier. That's all from my side. Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Then we'll continue tomorrow. Important topics रहेंगे कल में, कल का जो टॉपिक है उसमें बहुत क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, JEE, NEET and board examination. All right, then ending now.